Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Pinterest account to Hootsuite. To find the option to add your Pinterest account, go into the social accounts and themes under your profile here at the bottom left. This one right here. And then click into private account. In here, you can find every other social media accounts that you can attach to Hootsuite. For now, since our focus is Pinterest, let's click into it. It's going to request for you to log in first, requiring your credentials. Once you finish that, you're going to see all the things that Hootsuite can access in your Pinterest account. Now there's no slide bar here or checkbox that can individualize what Hootsuite can and can't access, so you're gonna have to consider the terms carefully. If you're alright with everything, and just press Give Access. Give it a second, and now you're done. And that's how to connect your Pinterest account to Hootsuite.